This is the last in a four-part series of lectures on graphing linear inequalities and linear programming by Dr. Archie Earl. This lecture is on solving linear programming problems if the points are given. These are the steps involved in solving linear programming problems if the points are given. Step number 1, graph the points and shade the region. Step number 2, test the corners or test the corner or vertex points. You have to test those. You have to substitute them into the objective function, which is the equation, and to see if you get minimum and or maximum points. Step 3, the solution is the point that maximizes or minimizes the equation, which is the objective function you are given. So this is how you solve linear programming problems if the points are given. Okay, let's look at an example. Here's an example. In this example, we want to determine which vertex gives the maximum profit. And this is the profit function here, or the objective function, the equation. P, which stands for profit, equals 5x plus 2y. And these are the points that you are given. And once again, this is a linear programming problem. You're given the points. So the first thing you have to do is graph the points and shade the region. So my first point is 0, 0. Put a point there right at the origin. My next point is 0, 3. So I don't go any in the x direction. I just go up 1, 2, 3. My next point is 2, 2. I go to the right 2 and I go up 2. My next point is 3, 0. I go to the right 1, 2, 3 and I just stay there. And then I connect my points. I connect my points, and this gives me my region in the first quadrant. This is my region. This region is the solution to a system of inequalities in the first quadrant. And now I have to test each one of these points to see if it would give me the maximum profit. Now really 0, 0 we really don't have to test, because if we put a 0 in for x and a 0 in for y, we'll get 0, which means we won't have any profit. So but I tested it here anyway, because I wanted to test each one of the points, but I know that will not give me my maximum profit. So really, I really have to test 0, 3, 2, 2, and 3, 0. Those are the points I have to test. So I've done that here. I've tested those points. As I mentioned, if I substitute 0 for x and 0 for y, I get a profit of 0. If I substitute 0, 3, I substitute a 0 for the x, a 3 for the y, I get a profit of 6. And if we're talking about money, that would be $6. If I substitute 2, 2, 2 for x and 2 for y, I get a profit of $14. If I substitute 30, I get a profit of $15. So the maximum profit will occur when I substitute 3 for X and 0 for Y. So the answer is 30, which means X equals 3, Y equals 0. This is a production activity, if I produce 3 of X and none of Y, then that would give me my maximum profit. Homework. Page 409. Page 409, you want to do problems 17 and 19, or as per your instructor. If your instructor gave you an assignment to do with this, then do that assignment. If you're just doing this for enrichment, as I've mentioned many times, just get an algebra textbook, do some exercises from that textbook. Have a great day. Bye now.